Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing today? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to today's video and you're welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a great way to remove your dark under eye, have that uniform color skin, and then remove some fine lines that is actually making your skin look dark and aged. Okay, now these ingredients you wouldn't have to scrub your eye, because the eye area is actually very soft and sensitive, but I'm gonna be telling you and showing you the way that you are gonna go. Okay, so let me take you right into this video. Yeah, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. And now let us go. All right guys, so this is one amazing dark under eye remedy that is gonna work really well for your skin. And if you have actually having dark under eyes, it's actually going to make your face appear old, and that is actually not what we want. We want to slay, because we are ladies. So this is a great way to remove your dark under eye and have your skin evenly toned. Therefore means that all of your skin will be the same color. So this is our first ingredient, and this is sugar. Now because sugar contains a smaller granite particles, it's going to help to scrub out and remove your darkness under the eye, and it is also very mild. Yeah, so the very next ingredient we are going to be needing is honey. Now honey is a great moisturizing agent that helps the skin to glow, and it also helps to soften and polish up the skin. So we're going to be needing about 2 tablespoons of the honey. And yeah guys, your honey has to be organic, okay, so that you're going to be seeing results as you use this. Okay, your honey has to be organic. So you have to mix it and stir it up like this. And then you're going to be making use of cucumber. Now cucumber is quite an amazing ingredient, because it is actually very mild, and it contains antioxidant and anti-aging property that helps to make the skin really soft, and it also enable your dark under eye gets lighter and your skin gets younger. Okay, so that's why we're going to be making use of cucumber. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be cutting all of this. And after doing that, then we'll have to be blending it. Okay, so I'm actually not going to be putting any water, because I need just the juice from the cucumber. And then this is what we got. So now we're going to be getting another bowl, and then what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be sieving out the cucumber juice. Alright guys, so after this is done, then I'm gonna be putting about 3 tablespoons of my cucumber juice into the sugar mix and honey, and then I'm gonna be giving it a good stir. Okay guys, so we're going to be having the last ingredient, which is rice, and we're going to be needing rice powder. Now rice powder is an amazing skin lightening agent that helps to rejuvenate and make the skin tone lighter, because it helps to remove dead skin cells and build up of dirt, and it also helps to get rid of dark under eye. So I'm actually going to be putting 2 tablespoons of rice powder into this mix. Alright, so this is actually a very perfect mixture, and it's actually very mild, friendly, and very light. Okay guys, so you're gonna apply this very mild treatment onto your eye, and what you're gonna do is that you're gonna take it this way. You're gonna excuse me right now so I could show you using my hands. It actually steals my skin though. Now this ingredient is actually mild enough for you to apply on your face, on your under eye area. So you're gonna pack it, and then you're just going to be applying it like this. Yeah, now in this particular one guys, you're not going to scrub it. Don't scrub it, don't rub it, you just apply it and dab it like this. Okay, now before you apply this treatment onto your dark under eye, you would have to refrigerate it. Make it very chill but not too chill, okay, so that you'll be able to apply it on your eye. Yeah, so you would have to apply it, and so what you do is that you're going to be dapping it like this. Yeah, you're going to be dapping it. It's going to help to calm your eye, and it's also going to help to remove the darkness. Okay, so after which you've dapped it like this guys, you would have to wait for this for at least 2 minutes to 3 minutes. Close your eyes, and don't allow it going to your eyes though. Just close your eyes and stay there for at least a little while, and then you can wash it off. Okay, now what you do is that you would have to be applying this onto your dark under eye area for at least 2 weeks. Okay, that's when you will know that yes, this is actually working, because it's going to remove all of the darkness, and it's going to freshen your eye up, and it's going to get rid of all of those fine lines, and your eye is going to be evenly with your skin. So that's it. Go try this. Remove all of those darkness under your eye and have your eye looking plump up and beautiful, and you are gonna be happy, because when your eye area is uniformly toned and then you don't have darkness around there, you're not going to be looking old at all. Okay guys, so that's it. If you do love this video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys.